In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Adobe Photoshop for free and in a legal way. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, first of all, open one of your browsers. Here I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser. And then you have to type here Adobe Premiere Pro download. And here you will see the official website of Adobe. Just click on it and then you will see a button here, Start Free Trial. Click on that button. And here you will see three plans: individuals, students and teachers, business. Choose whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna choose these individual ones. And then I'm going to click on this Add a 7-day trial of Adobe Stock and so on. And then click on this Continue button. Then provide your password and log in with your account. Now you have to provide your billing information. So you have to provide your card details here. But don't worry, Adobe will not charge you during the trial period. And after 7 days, it will charge you. And finally, click on this Agree and Subscribe button. And that's it. We have successfully started our free trial. Now, normally click on this Get Started button. And here, you will see all of the popular apps of Adobe. Just normally select this Adobe Premiere Pro option. Then the app is going to be downloaded on your Mac or PC. Normally click on it and install it. And here you can see that the app is being installed on our PC. And after installing, it will open the Creative Cloud app on your PC. So after installing the Creative Cloud app, normally you have to click on this apps icon and then you will see Adobe Photoshop is available. Just normally click on this install button. And then Adobe Photoshop is going to be downloaded on your PC. And after downloading it, normally you can install it and use it very easily. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.